Just going back to when you first started noticing your hair loss, were you somebody that it really bothered? I mean, did you find that it started to limit your life in terms of what you would do in terms of socializing or sports and so on?
100%, especially when I became like Norwood 4 going to 5. That was, and actually it's very painful to remember. I didn't care, but at the same time I did care. It's tricky. Like when we don't have things, we want them, and when we do have things, we like don't care anymore. And that's the same with hair, at least for me. So when I noticed my mid-scalp and going to the crown, like really thinning out to the point that there's almost nothing left, I started growing my hair from the back and having a massive comb over. It's probably one of the biggest comb over you could probably see. My hair was starting from the bottom of my crown, covering all the way to the hairline here. So it was massive flap, essentially. I was putting a lot of hairspray. I put in the morning, minoxidil, and then dries out after 20-30 minutes. I put the hairspray, off I go. And then if there's wind, I'm literally going like this.
Yeah.
And I remember so many these painful moments when and I'm standing somewhere on the crossroad, and this all of a sudden a massive gust of wind, and I literally have to just put my head there, and it becomes awkward when you're going with someone, and you obviously don't wanna talk that, oh, you have hair loss. I mean, I'm pretty sure people not stupid, they see, but people, again, nobody cares about you. People care about their own problems. Yeah. But it's awkward. And there's many times when it happened that the wind just blows into my hair and my flap like, and it's just, it's awkward. It's annoying. I remember I kind of developed even anger issues, if it makes sense, because I'm leaving the house and I want this to stay the way it is. And then this massive wind blows away. And I was like, why are you doing this? Like, I clearly don't want this. And then obviously if it's rain, it's even worse. So it was a constant battle. It was like 24/7 on my head, how my hair looks, whether it sits, because it had to sit in a very specific position without moving. To be fair, I think I've been doing a pretty good job with the combovers. I think I've sent you some of the pictures with this.
Yeah.
Some people couldn't even realize how bald I was. You can see there's no hairline, but you would never think that I'm like bald all the way towards in Norwood 5 area towards the crown.